Let's be honest, for some of us, we are not broke because we don't make enough money. We are broke because our money keeps disappearing quietly without you even knowing how. And it's not on big things, so but on small habits that don't look dangerous until they've drained everything. But here is the good news. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to stop wasting money completely and start investing and building wealth instead. And it's not by cutting off your favorite things or living cheap, but on how you see money differently. Because once you get this, you're never going to be frustrated with your finances again. So let's fix it in 6 simple steps. But if you are meeting for the first time, I'm financial Jennifer, an investment banker, a chartered accountant, a chartered stockbroker, a licensed dealer in the Nigerian stock market, but most importantly, your money cheerleader. On this our finance community, we are all about the money, investing, side hustle, passive income, making smart money moves together. If that's the kind of thing you love, and it is because you're watching this video, just hit that subscription button right away. I can't wait to have you as part of the money family. The first step I need you to take is to stop spending emotionally. Instead, you have to spend intentionally. What do I mean by this? For most people, they don't just spend money, they emotionally react with money. When you are sad, you are ordering food. When you are tired, you are shopping. When you are bored, you are on one website or the other clicking add to chat. And that is how we waste money. Now, what are we going to be doing going forward? Before you spend money on anything, ask yourself, is this a reward or a result? What do I mean by that? If it's a reward or a distraction, something to just take your mind off something, you have to pause. But if it is going to get you a result, maybe something that moves you closer to your goal or something that you actually have need for to get a desired result, then you are good to go. This tiny small shift, it might seem simple, but it's going to make you to learn to spend more intentionally. Because the thing is that awareness is your first form of investment. If you are not tracking it, if you are not mindful of where your money is going, trust me, you will keep draining your wallet. So yeah, that's it. First step, learn to differentiate between emotional spending and intentional spending. Number 2 is you have to build your money system. Some people look at this as budget, but instead of calling it budget and then you are feeling like must you budget everything, see it as you building a money system for yourself. How does it work? It's just by splitting your income into different systems, right? That your income flows into different channels. For example, you can decide that, okay, 50% of every money I make is going to go into essentials, right? Let's say 20% is going to go into black tax, charity and all that. And then 20% is going to go into my future investing, into savings, emergency fund and stuff like that. That way, your money has a tax. You are in control. You're not just reacting emotionally. Because if you don't have any use for the money, like I always say, if you don't have plan for your money, billings, adulthood billings will plan it for you. So today, just see that if that is one thing you are going to achieve today, tell yourself, like, arrange your money flow system. Where and where is what going? If I earn 500,000 every month, can I take out 250k? That's like 50% to cater to like maybe my feeding, saving towards my rent or something like that, right? You have to define what percentage work for you. Because if I say now save 30%, invest 30%, it may work for me, but it may not work for you. Personal finance is personal. It's not for you to determine based on your goal, based on your circumstance, based on your target, how much can you put into each category. It's not an easy task to do because it will need you to sit down, itemize everything you spend on and find a way to like portion it. But you have to do it because once you get it done, it's already a system and it will keep working for you. The third thing I need you to do is to like this video if you have not. So please, I'm going to ask you, if you have not liked the video, help me just hit that like button. It means so much to me. It's free of charge, trust me. Have you done that? Thank you. The third one is what you hear every time, but for some reason, I don't know why we are not doing it, which is pay yourself first, not the last person. Every time you are prioritizing other people, you are saving for your landlord, you are saving for transport, you are paying food people, you yourself, what are you paying yourself? Don't you deserve it? Don't you deserve to reward yourself? Don't you deserve to put something away for your future self? The truth is that if you wait until the end of the month, or if you wait before you sort everything before you can save, voila, you will never save. Because money expands to fill up the gaps you give to it. We call it Parkinson's law in finance, which means the more money you have, the more expenses will keep coming to take up all of that money. Your expense will expand to take up any income you have. As your income grows, the same way billings, the same way expenses will grow with. So if you're not careful, if you keep saying, no, when I have enough, no, when I sort all of these things, I will then save, I will then invest, my sister, you will not do it. Because there is always something to pay for. There is always a bill to attend to. The money is never enough. That is why you have to be intentional with reserving something for yourself. And when I say this, I don't mean enjoyment money. No, that should be part of your money flow system we tackled in step 2. This one is the one you push towards investing, right? Because that is what the way you reward yourself. That is the one that is left for you. Every other thing is going to other people, but your investment is for you, it's for your future, it's for your children, it's for you. In fact, not even your children, it's for you. So we're going to flip it. Once your income enters, your savings is going first. Whether you are a business owner, whether you earn salary, your savings is going first. Going forward, we no longer save what is left. We spend what is left. We save first, and then the remaining we apportion it into every other thing. Do we agree? Yes or no? Let me hear in the comments. Yes or no? Are we agreeing? Yes, we are. And one thing that will help you to do this is to automate. Many platforms these days, they have a feature where you can automatically maybe put your card and set it. Okay, every 25th of the month, withdraw 20,000 from this my bank account and save it here. That way, you don't even have to like wait till you do it before you can save. Please try that out. Number 4 step, identify and cut out your money leaks. There is always that one thing, that money leak you are pretending not to see. It could be the gym subscription. You have not been to the gym for the last 3 months. You keep saying, hey, I will go, but you've not gone. It could be maybe occasional takeouts. There's just that something you feel like, I don't really need this, but you keep paying for it in the hope that you actually need it. No, take it out. For example, if it is gym, take it out. I used to do that before. I'll be like, if I keep paying for the gym, somehow it will force me to go and gym. My dear, for almost 1 year now, I've not been to the gym. By the time what's their name? By the time iFitness have debited me like 2-3 months without me going, I just use verse, yank it away. Because you don't have to just keep wasting money, waiting for when you are prepared. So here is what I need you to do. Go and get your bank statement for the last maybe 30 days or 60 days. Look at the expenses. There is something there that doesn't make sense, that doesn't add anything to your life. Please, you are taking it away. Because that little exercise of reviewing your statement and your spending, it could save you money and increase your income by at least 30%. Because if you yank off any spending that is a waste, you have more money left now for you to save, for you to enjoy and take care of yourself. Number 5 thing I need you to do, this is the most important. Invest before you become an investment expert. Most people will wait. They will tell you, I'm learning. They want to become experts before they can now invest in. How? Is it not by doing you become an expert? You have to start small. Start with small money. There are beginner-friendly investments out there. It's when you do, the more you get into it, the more you know. Don't use the excuse of, oh, I don't know how this works. On this community, I have videos on mutual fund, on savings bond, on commercial paper, on treasury bill. I'm going to link some of them in the description so that you just watch. And sometimes I share my screen to show you. Click here, click here. If you need to download any app, download it. Don't wait. No, don't wait before you become an expert. You don't know the stocks to buy. Some of these videos, I even show you some list of stocks I have. In fact, I'm inviting you to our Wealth Builders Academy, the 3 weeks online program where I guide you on 2 different investments you can do for yourself, for your children. We start from scratch. You need this so that you stop giving the excuse of, I don't know how to invest. That's what Academy is for you. But please, one thing I need you, after watching this video, go to the description. I have different investment videos. I don't want this video to be long, so I don't need to go into details how to invest and all that. Watch one, pick one investment instrument and start. Put your money there. You see that once you put money there, it will push you to keep going. It will push you to keep investing. It will push you, that curiosity, to even learn more. Okay, are we doing that? Yes, we are. So yes, you are going to invest even before you become an expert. And the 6th and final step is for you to track your expenses, track your spending. For some of us personally, in fact, this is like the hardest part for me. I will not even lie. You know, the ability to like note everything down, and it's not easy. On my Instagram, I shared an experience one time. I was on a ride with an Uber driver. The guy showed me an exercise book every single day. That guy writes out everything he spends money on: fuel, car repairs, charity, food. Every day, he didn't miss any day. And that's the thing, there are so many apps that could help you to do this. But if app is not working, get an exercise book. Just do it for 1 week, do it for 1 month. You will see a system flowing. See, once you start tracking, you start winning, because progress, and no matter how small it is, it builds momentum for you. So you see, you don't need a miracle to fix your finances. You just need to be intentional and actually ready to do the work. See, if you do everything I listed in this video, once your money start working for you, you don't have to keep asking, where did my money go? Because now you know exactly where your money is going. I hope in these few minutes I've been able to convince and not confuse you that the power to change your finances is in your hand. I am going to do something about it. Like I said earlier, I left some videos on the description that will guide you on investing. Let's see in those videos.